question. Find the angle measures x in the following figures. The sixth question has 4 problems are there. In the first one, it is A. So this is the given figure. So it is a quadrilateral. So what we want to find here, we want x value. Then use what we have learned in previous about the quadrilateral properties. Now I am explaining here, I am using angle some property of it is, what is the name of this one? Quadrilateral. Angle some property of quadrilateral. So what is the angle sum property of quadrilateral? The quadrilateral angle sum property of quadrilateral is 360 degrees. I am writing here, so 50 degrees plus 30 degrees plus 120 degrees plus fourth one is about x. The sum of these 4 angles is 360 degrees. We can add this one, it is 100, 200, it is 250, it is nothing but what is the total, it is some 300 degrees plus x is equals to 360 degrees. So from this one we want x, so this is 300 degrees, we have to send from left to right, so already here 360 degrees is there, so it is our positive value. When we transfer left to right, the values will become change here. So it is a positive value is nothing but plus will become minus, so plus 300 will become minus 300 degrees. Then x is equals to here 60 degrees. Okay, now B problem. So this is the B problem. So here x degrees, 70 degrees, 60 degrees given, but here not given. So what is the symbol of this one? The symbol shows, the symbol represent 90 degrees. So if it is 90 degrees, automatically this side also 90 degrees. So now what is the value of this one? 90 degrees. Same, use angle sum property. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Then I am writing here, so x degrees plus 70 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 90 degrees. So sum of these is equal to 360 degrees. Then we can add here 90, 60, 150, 70. 90 plus it is 60, 150. So 150, this is 220. So x plus 220 degrees is equals to 360 degrees. Now it is x value we want. So 360 degrees, the plus 220, when we turn left to right, so values will become, plus will become minus, so it is 220 degrees. Then x is equal, we can subtract this is, so 360 minus 220. So now 300 minus 220, it is what, 100. So it is nothing but, what is that? Otherwise we can do the subtraction. So 0, 0. So 6 minus 2, it is 4. So 3 minus 2, it is 1. So then the value of second figure x value is 140 degrees. C question. So before going to explain the solution of C figure, once observe here, it is one side, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not a quadrilateral. It is a polygon, but it has 5 sides. That's why, what is the name of this one? Pentagon. So what is the sum of the angles of the pentagon? So it means how many sides it has? It has 5 sides. Sum of the angles of pentagon is equals to, just to apply the previous formula, that is 5 minus 2, it is totally multiplied by 180. Now it is 5 minus 2, 2 subtract from 5, we will get 3, 3 into 180, then it is 540 degrees. Now we will get one idea. So now the sum of the 5 angles is 550. Now just observe here, one more small construction is there. I am constructing here. Already x is there. It is y angle, and this is z angle. Now here observe here 70 degrees and y is linear pair. So what is a linear pair? The sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then the angles are called linear pair. So observe here, it is half circle. I am writing here 70 plus y is equals to 180 degrees. Then y is equals to 180, send this side, so plus value will become as minus 70, it is nothing but 110 degrees. And one more here, 60 degrees and z angles are linear pair. Then 60 plus means 60 degrees plus z is equals to 180. Then z is equals 180 minus 60. It is nothing but 120 degrees. Now what we want here? Find the angles of angle measures of x values. So now we can apply angle sum property of pentagon. So now it is 30 degrees. I am directly writing 30 degrees plus x degrees plus it is y. What is the y value here? So 110. So 110 degrees plus z. Z is nothing but 120. And one more x is there, it is x. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. Sum of these is, how much it is? 540 degrees. Now we can add here 30 plus 110, 140, it is 240, 260. It's not 260 degrees plus x, 2x is equals to 540. Then 2x is equals 540 degrees. So now plus value send outside, so this side, so plus will become minus 260 degrees. So minus 260. So 2x is equals, subtract this is. So now we can subtract. So now it is 0 minus 0. So take a borrow, it is 14. 14 minus 6, 8. Now here only 4. 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. So now 2x is equals 280. Then x value, 2x is nothing but what is the meaning? 2 into x. So x is equals 280. The multiplication quantity, when we send to right to left or left to right, the multiplication will become divided by our division. So we can do the general procedure cancellation, it is. So now x is equals to, so 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8 and 0. So it is nothing but, so 140 degrees. So in this, see third problem, the x is equals to 140 degrees. Now B problem. Observe the given figure here. So this is a regular polygon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. What is the symbol of this is? So this shows the all sides, the lengths of all sides are equal. So now it is regular polygon. Number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of sides 5. Now sum of the angles of regular polygon is, so 5 minus 2 it is multiplied by 180 degrees. Then this is 3 into 180. It is nothing but 540 degrees. Now this is our regular. But what we want here, find the x value. So in a regular polygon, one angle is x, then automatically what will happen here? So all angles also will be x. Because all sides are equal, automatically all angles are equal according to the basic fundamental of geometry. Now I am writing here the sum of all angles. So x plus angle x, angle x, angle x, angle x, angle x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is equals to 540. So how many x are there here? 5x or 5 into x is equals to 540. Then x is equals to 540 multiplication. Multiplication quantity will become divided by. We can do subtraction. So now we will get here. So 0, 8 and it is 10. We can write here point. It is nothing but 180. So therefore the value of x is equals to 180 degree.